Have you ever wondered how much it actually costs to use OnPay? We've all heard the rumors, but is it really as expensive as they say? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine you're running a small business. You need a reliable payment gateway to accept payments from your customers. OnPay seems like a great option, but the question remains, is it worth the investment? Addressing common misconceptions. Myth 1. OnPay is only for large corporations. This is a common misconception. OnPay offers plans to suit businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Myth 2. OnPay has hidden fees. OnPay is transparent about its pricing. There are no hidden fees or surprises. Myth 3. OnPay is too complicated to use. OnPay is designed to be user-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can easily set up and use OnPay. Breaking down the costs. Let's talk about the actual costs involved in using OnPay. Here's a breakdown. Transaction fees. This is the most common fee associated with payment gateways. OnPay charges a transaction fee for each successful payment. The fee varies depending on your plan and payment method. Monthly fees. Some OnPay plans have a monthly fee. This fee covers the cost of maintaining your account and accessing OnPay's features. Setup fees. There may be a one-time setup fee when you first sign up for OnPay. This fee covers the cost of setting up your account and integrating OnPay with your website or online store. Comparing OnPay to competitors. To give you a better understanding of OnPay's pricing, let's compare it to some of its competitors. Insert a comparison table or chart here, showing the transaction fees, monthly fees, and setup fees for different payment gateways. As you can see, OnPay's pricing is competitive. In some cases, it may even be cheaper than other options. Additional factors to consider. While pricing is important, there are other factors to consider when choosing a payment gateway. These include security. OnPay uses advanced security measures to protect your customers' data. Customer support. OnPay offers excellent customer support. If you have any questions or problems, you can easily get help. Features. OnPay offers a variety of features, including fraud prevention, recurring billing, and customizable checkout pages. Choosing the right OnPay plan. OnPay offers several different plans to suit businesses of all sizes. The best plan for you will depend on your specific needs. If you're a small business with low transaction volume, you may be able to get by with a basic plan. If you're a large business with high transaction volume, you may need a more advanced plan. So, does OnPay cost a lot? The answer is, it depends. OnPay's pricing is competitive, and there are no hidden fees or surprises. However, the best plan for you will depend on your specific needs. If you're looking for a reliable payment gateway, OnPay is definitely worth considering. To learn more about OnPay and its pricing, visit their website or contact their sales team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.